Hi, I wanted to make a quick video about Google Classroom. Some of you were asking if you had turned assignments in or if I got them. That's great if you send me a message on ClassDojo, if you're, wanting to check. But if you wanted to check yourself to make sure you're getting the assignments turned in, you can go to Classwork, click, and it should say view your work, and then you click there, and then it should tell you on this side whether it's assigned or missing or turned in. And then you can look right here and you can either do all, or you can do assigned work, returned work, or missing work. So if I click missing, it'll show what's missing. If you click return, that's once I've graded it, I'll send it, and then it'll give the grades. And then for assigned work, it'll show what is assigned that they need to work on. If you want to do all, you can do all, and then it'll have right here where you can just kind of scroll down and pull down, and you'll be able to see all the assignments for everything: missing, graded, returned, assigned. So you'll be able to check everything. Here's another example. If you click your child's name, you go to people, and then click the child's name, and then you can do all, and right here it scrolls down and it's got assigned, it's got grades. Or you can do turned in, and it'll list what's been turned in. So a lot of you, that's where you'll go to see if there's something that you need that you can see that they've turned in. Returned will be the grades, and then missing, it'll list what's missing. So if you're not sure if you've done everything, just click missing and it'll highlight it and show you. So I just wanted to let you know that, and just a quick video to let you know. Also, I'll send the link for the YouTube channel for our class, and it's just Donna Williams is the name, but I'll send you the link and it'll have all of our videos there that you can look at for the lessons. And then make sure you click return or add and create to take a picture of your lessons that you've completed or assignments, and then just click work is done, and it's usually right here on the right side when you're going through the assignments. So when you pull down view assignment, and then it has the thing, usually it's right here, it's not showing on this one, but when you get ready to turn it in, you'll just click right here on the right hand side for work done. Thank you. Have a good one.